In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Flutter package Lottie for your Flutter app. If you don't know what a Lottie is, it's basically like a GIF, like an animation, and the file format is usually JSON. And here you can see two different Lotties. So this is the sample app we're going to build today, where the first Lottie we are going to load directly from the network, from the internet, and the second one we have as a JSON file in our assets folder. Let's get started. So the package we're going to use is called Lottie. All you have to do is copy this to your clipboard, then go to your pubspec.yaml file, and underneath your dependencies, simply paste it in here. Another thing you also have to do is create a new folder in your root folder called assets. And in this assets folder, you're going to put the Lottie files. Also, still in the pubspec.yaml file, under Flutter, uncomment this line assets, and then define the folder where you have all your Lottie files in. Then you can run pubget. For using Lotties, you can either create your own with Adobe, or you can go to this website here, lottiefiles.com. Then you can search for different animations. There are a lot of free animations on here. For example, if you wanted to take this one, you could edit some colors of this within the interactive editor. Or if this is fine for you, then all you have to do is download and then Lottie JSON. If you click on this, then you first have to sign up or log in, and then you can download any file you want. So what I did was building a very simple Flutter app, nothing fancy. Just a scaffold with an app bar, and then I have a list view of two different Lotties. So first of all, of course, import the Lottie library. Then you can simply use lottie.asset and then your assets folder / and then the name of your Lottie you have within your assets folder. And if you want to load a Lottie from the network, then of course just use lottie.network and then the link to the Lottie JSON file, as you can see here. Also, another thing you can also do is loading a Lottie from a zip file. So this is then basically how it would look like. Very similar to the asset, but instead of having JSON at the end, you just have this zip at the end. And then when you run your app, you can see that both Lotties work fine. There are also other things you can define within a Lottie widget, like the width, height, whether it should animate and whether it should repeat, or if you want to let it go reversed. I hope you liked this tutorial. Please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them down below in the comments. Thank you for watching.